Cialis Together 10 mg is a prescription medication used to treat erectile dysfunction (ED) and is part of the Together plan, which supports men with ED. The active ingredient, Tadalafil, enhances blood flow to the penis, aiding in achieving and maintaining an erection during sexual activity. Unlike some ED medications, Cialis Together can be effective for up to 36 hours, offering more spontaneity. To use Cialis Together, take one 10 mg tablet at least 30 minutes before sexual activity. It can be taken with or without food, but avoid excessive alcohol as it may reduce the effectiveness. Do not take more than one tablet in a 24-hour period. Common side effects include headaches, indigestion, back pain, and muscle aches, which typically resolve on their own. Cialis Together is not suitable for everyone, particularly those with severe heart or liver conditions, or those taking nitrates for chest pain. Consult a healthcare professional before using Cialis Together to ensure it's safe for you. Always follow the prescribed dosage and read the accompanying patient information leaflet for detailed guidance. The Together plan also offers additional resources and support for managing ED,